Now let us learn how to plot the points on a Cartesian plane. Example 3, page number 62, you see. So certain points are given there. Locate the points 5, 0, 0, 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, then negative 3, 5, negative 3, negative 5, 5 and negative 3, 6, 1 in the Cartesian plane. So let us draw that one. So vertical and horizontal lines let us draw. Mark that one. X dash, y dash. Now this point is 0, 0. Then starting with 1, positive quantity 1, 2, 3, like that you can mark. Here negative 1, negative 2, 1, 1 square I am taking there. Negative 5, negative 6. Here again 1 square 1. Here negative numbers, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. Okay. Now first point is 5, 0. 5, first I told you that first number written will be from x-axis. So x coordinate is 5, 0, y is 0. So which point it will come? This one on 5. Okay, this point is 5, 0. Okay, on the x-axis. Now 0, 5. 0, 5 means x will be 0 and y will be 5. Which point is that? This point. This point will be 0, 5. Okay, x coordinate is 0 and y is 5. That is on the y-axis. First one was on x-axis. Next one 2, 5. X is 2 and y is 5. Where it will come? This way. Okay, this one 2, 5 it will come. 2 and 5. Okay, meeting point. Then 5, 2. 5 is here, 2 is here. Their meeting point, this point will be 5 here and 2 here. Meeting point will be 5, 2. Okay, this point. Then negative 3 and positive 5. Negative x term, negative means this side it will come. Negative 3 and positive 5, this one. So their meeting point is here. Negative 3 and 5. Negative 3 and 5. Then negative 3, negative 5. Both are negative in this quadrant. So negative 3 and negative 5. Here it will come negative 3, negative 5. Then 5 and negative 3. 5 positive and y is negative. Where it will come? Here. 5 positive and negative 3 on this one. So if you have any confusion, just draw lines like this, then find out meeting point. Okay, 1 or 2 you can find out like this. Afterwards you will get how to plot that one. Okay, 5 and negative 3, where they meet? This point is 5, negative 3. Okay, that was example 3. Example 4, you see, I think example 4 also let us draw in this one. First one, page number 63, plot the points So x is negative 3 and y is 7. X is negative 3, where it will come? Here. 7, positive 7. So positive 7, where it will come? Here. So negative 3 and positive 7. Here it will come negative 3 and 7. Second one, 0 and 3 point, negative 3.5. 0, x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is negative 3.5. 3.5 will come the middle of 3 and 4. So here it will come on the y axis 0, negative 3.5. Then negative 1 and negative 3 both will be negative 1 and negative 3 will come here. Negative 1, then negative 3. Okay. Now 4, 4 both are positive. 4 is here positive and this 4 is here. Meeting point is this one, 4, 4. 2 and negative 3. 2 positive and 2 positive, where it will come? Here. Y negative, here negative 3. 2 and negative 3, here it will come 2 and negative 3. See, you should know how to plot the points. Next year also, the next year plotting the points are there. There you have to find out the solution, then plot on the graph. That time will not get time to explain it again. So do the examples and the exercise. Only 4 problems are there. Now let us discuss exercise 3.3. In which quadrant or in which axis do the points negative 4, negative 2, 4, then 3, negative 1 and negative 1, 0 and 1, 2, negative 3 and negative 5 lie? Verify your answer by locating on the Cartesian plane. So let us draw that one. First you have to say which quadrant it will lie and you have to locate that points also. Now first point is negative 2. So marking that one, 6, 7, 8, 9, then negative 1, negative 2, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 1, one squares you can take. 1 square is 1 centimeter only. Now look at that one. First point is negative 2, 4. Negative 2, that is x is negative 2 and y is 4. Which quadrant it will come? This is the second quadrant. This one is first quadrant. This is second, third and fourth quadrant. Okay, so where it will come? Negative 2, 4 will come in this quadrant. So negative 2, 4, second quadrant. So 3 and negative 1. 3 is positive, x coordinate is positive and y is negative. Where it will come? This, in this quadrant, that is fourth quadrant. 3, negative 1, fourth quadrant. Now negative 1 0, negative 1, x is negative 1 and y is 0, that is not on quadrant, that is on x axis. Which one it will come? On x axis, because y is 0, that means on x axis it will come. Then 1 and 2, 1 2, that means both x and y are positive, so it will come in the first quadrant. 1 then 2 will come in the first quadrant. Then negative 3, negative 5, both are negative, so it will come in the third quadrant. Negative 3, negative 5. Okay, so negative 3, negative 5 will come here in the third quadrant. Okay, now let me do that second problem also in this one. So you can use another paper if you have, otherwise do it in that one also. Plot the points. First one, x is negative 2 and 8. X is negative 2 in this one and 8, where it will come? Here. No, negative 2, 8. Negative 2, 8. So negative 2, 8 will come here. Negative 1 and 7. Negative 1 and 7. So it is here negative 1 and 7. 0 and 1, negative 1.25. X is 0 and negative 1.25. That means this somewhere here, that is half part of 1 and 2 before just above that one it will come 0 and 1 point, negative 1.25. Now 1 and 3 both are positive, so it will come in the first quadrant. 1 and 3 here, 1 3. Then 3 and negative 1, 3 is positive, that is x coordinate is positive, and y is negative, where it will come? 3 and negative 1. So that is already marked there. So 3 and negative 1. Okay, so that chapter is finished. Hope you understood. So plot the points in a graph paper itself. Now let us recall whatever we have learned. That is, to locate a point of an object we need two perpendicular lines. That is, here we are using Cartesian product, Cartesian plane. That is, x axis is there, y axis is there. Then horizontal line is called x axis, vertical line is called y axis. Then their meeting point, that is called origin, and coordinates of origin is 0 0. Okay, then this intersection of two axes will make into it into four quadrant, that is first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth. In first quadrant, x coordinate and y coordinate both are positive. In second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. In third quadrant, x and y both are negative, and in fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. Now x coordinate, that is called abscissa, and y coordinate are called ordinate. And whenever we are writing in pair, the first number, so let us example 3 5 it is given, the first number written will be of x coordinate and second number written will be of y coordinate. Okay, and coordinates of origin I said, that is 0 0. Okay, so then if 2 points are equal, suppose xy equal to xy means what? When they will be equal, x should be equal to x and y should be equal to y. Okay, x and xy and y x, they are not equal. Okay, x will be equal to xy itself. Now if it is 3 5, again 3 5 is coming, and sign also should be equal, then only we can say 2 points are same. Okay, they are not same. Okay, here like that. So these are the things we have learned.